Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the question longest substring without repeating characters. So in this question we are asked to find the longest substring given a string which doesn't have any repeating characters. So if you take this example A B C A B C B B, here the longest substring with non-repeating characters is 3. Here ABC is the longest substring which doesn't have a repeating character. So if we consider ABCA, then it has a repeating character. So it cannot be the longest substring without any repeating characters. Um, there's also another substring which is also the size of 3 without any repeating character, which is this BCA. So yeah, you get the idea like what a substring without repeating characters is. Um, so to do this question, we have to take 2 pointers. Here I've taken a left and right pointer. Um, and So initially left and right pointers will start at the same position, that is 0. And when we move the right pointer, we will move the right pointer to us right. And as we move the right pointer, we will start adding the characters of the string into a map. So the map will contain character and the count of characters. So as we move from left to right, we start adding characters to the map, and we do this until we get a repeating character. And when we find a repeating character, we we stop, and we increment the left pointer. We increment the left pointer and we remove the characters that as characters in the left pointer. um, and yeah, so we start removing the character one by one until until the repeating character is removed, and that's when we stop. um, yeah, so that's like the basic fundamental of the question is. And we also need to keep track of the um, longest substring. So yeah, like while we do this algorithm, we will also be keeping track of the longest substring. Before we come to the code, let's try to visualize what we are going to do. um, So yeah, let's try to find the longest substring using our discussed algorithm. So ABC BB. So this is the substring given, and we this is our map ABC. So initially, the map has like null values everywhere, and then we have two variables, current and longest. So this is to track the string length. Um, right. So yeah, let's start running our algorithm. So initially we have left and right at the starting position, and then we increment the right. So we first put like the current character into our map. So now, so we will put A into the map. Um, so the A's count will become 1. Um, so A's count is 1. So now we will increment the right pointer. So right pointer goes here. So and we check, is there any when we go to B, we check in the map that is B a repeating character. We check from the map, we find B has null, so it is empty. So B is not a repeating character. So we uh, change the value of B in the map to 1. and then we increment our right pointer again. Okay. Now we check from the map. Is C a repeating character? The way we check is we get the value from C, value of C from the map. C's value is null. That means that we have not inputted any C characters in our map. So yeah, C is not a repeating character, and we will add C to the map. So C's value is 1. Right. Um, so all this while, we will also be tracking the length of the current substring. So current substring is defined by the string inside left and right. So inside left and right, we have ABC whose length is 3. I should have been modifying this all the while. I forgot, sorry. So yeah, current length is 3. And longest is like if every time we modify current length, we will also check if the current is larger than the longest. So initially longest is also starts from 0. So yeah, so now earlier it was 2 previously. So now we will check, okay, longest is smaller than the current, so longest is now 3. um yeah, so longest substring is 3. Then we go to A. uh, then we move our right pointer to A. So we will move our right pointer to A, and we will check in our map, is A a repeating character. The way we check is we get the value from value of A, and we find that there is 1 already in the map. So that means A is a repeating character. So what we do now is we will pop from our map um, until the repeating character is gone. So we will increment the left pointer. So we will increment the left pointer. So left comes here. And when we increment the left pointer, before we increment the left pointer, we will remove A from our map. So we will decrement the value of A. So earlier A was 1. So we are going to say A is now 0. Okay. So we again calculate the length of the string. So length of the string is 3. Length of our current substring is 3. So 3 is again not greater than the longest string. So we don't change anything. Um, then we will move forward, move our right pointer forward. So right pointer goes here. Um, and then we check, is B a repeating character we get from the map. B is, we already have B. uh, oh yeah, B, also A will be 1 here. So yeah, A will be 1 here, because once we increment A, we move the left pointer forward. We also add this A to our map, so again A will be 1 here. um, yeah, coming back, yeah, so now B is here. I mean, right pointer is at B. So we will so, and we check from the map that yes, B is already present in our map. So we will move our pointer forward. um, so we will move our left pointer forward, so left goes here. um, and we decrement B from our map. uh, so we decrement B from our map, so B becomes 0 here. um, then we again check. So we check in our uh, check our current substring is CAB, which is of length 3. So 3 is not greater than the longest substring length, so we don't change anything here. um, and we again put like B. We will add this B. So this b from the right pointer we will add to the map. So again b becomes 1. um, so yeah, so then again we will move our right pointer forward. So right pointer goes here. Then we say, is c repeating? Yes, c is repeating. So we will move our left pointer forward. So we will move our left pointer forward. Left goes here. So we delete the c. um, c becomes 0 now, and our current size is now 2. Current size is 2. um, and then we but the repeating character has not been removed yet. uh, oh sorry, repeating character has been removed, so c is gone. So yeah, current substring size is 3. um, Current substring size is 3 because we added this c back to our um, substring. um, yeah, and then we again move the right pointer. So right pointer goes here. um, and we check from the map, is b a repeating character? So before we moved, so this should be 1, by the way. This should be 1. And yeah, so we move our right pointer forward. Now uh, now the right pointer is so yeah, b is a repeating character, so we will move our left pointer forward. um, Left pointer goes here, and we remove a from our map. So we remove a from our map. So a is now 0, and the size of substring is 2. Size of current substring is 2. And then we check, um, is the repeating character gone? So repeating character was b, so b is still there, so we will again move our left pointer forward. So we will again move our left pointer forward. um, so left goes here. And we delete the b, so b becomes 0. Now current substring size is 2, so 2 is not greater than 3, so we don't change anything there. um, and then we move our right pointer forward again. So right pointer goes here. So before that, I think this was 1. um, so this was 1. So now right pointer goes forward. um, so once right pointer goes forward, we check what's the value of b. B was 1, so we need to move the left pointer forward. So we move the left pointer forward. um, so c becomes 0. C becomes 0. But b is still 1, so we need to again move our left pointer. So we move our left pointer forward. Now current substring size becomes um, current substring size becomes 1. um, yeah. um, and then we also Yeah, we check if one is greater than three, which is not, so longest stays same. And now we exit our loop and we complete our algorithm. So yeah, so the longest substring is three in this case.